Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to the viewers on onespotmedia.com. A man suspected of shooting at popular dancehall entertainer Mavado in Cassava Peace, St. Andrew yesterday is now in police custody. Shortly after he was fired on, Mavado fled to the Constant Spring police station on foot to report the shooting. The car which Mavado drove to Cassava Peace was also reportedly fired on. The shooting incident happened when Mavado reportedly went to the community to settle a dispute between his son and another man. Reports are that Mavado went to the community and approached the man. It's also reported that there was a physical confrontation between the two. The man reportedly left the scene and returned with two other men who opened fire at Mavado. TVJ News also understands that not long after that incident, a man who is said to be aligned to Mavado was shot and killed behind the Constant Spring Market. He has been identified as Ian Robinson, otherwise called Gazaman. The police have not been able to confirm whether the two incidents are linked.